I'm building the back panels for the Serpentine Chest. There are two of these, each covering 1/2, and you can see on the bench here that I've got some of the parts laid out for one of the panels. The stile is located between the dogs there, and then the upper and the lower rail. So this is positioned horizontal, and I'm getting ready to test whether the panel will now fit. The panel is in the background. It's a beveled panel with hand tools, and it fits into the grooves of the rails and the stiles. So I'm getting ready now to just do a test assembly of these parts. Okay, I set the frame, part of the frame here in the vise, and I'm ready to test the panel. And I want it that direction, and that slides down there really nice. Yes, and I've got a nice protrusion here, so let's see how this goes. Yes, that goes in fine. Alright, so there.